Good evening. It was a massacre that stunned the Brunswick community. A son accused of killing his own father and 6 other family members in 2009.
The sole survivor was his 3-year-old nephew who spent weeks in critical care. Today is the first day of motion hearings in the case of Guy Hines Jr. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. Hines' attorneys spent the day trying to fight that.
Channel 4's Elizabeth Kate was inside the courtroom for these proceedings.
Accused of killing 8 people, Guy Hines Jr. sat in the courtroom as attorneys argued his fate. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty, but his defense team is hopeful that capital punishment will not be an option.
The foundation of this entire system has rotted, and we have a situation where the operation of the death penalty in the state of Georgia is flawed and it's unconstitutional for the reasons mentioned in this motion.
I think the Supreme Court of Georgia has ruled on this. I would stand on that ruling.
Despite a not guilty plea, the prosecution maintains Hines Jr. murdered his own family members inside a trailer in Brunswick, Georgia. During this motion hearing, both sides admitted there is still DNA evidence that needs to be tested.
I think our original agreement was, when you need to come look at it, let's schedule a time and you can come look at it.
In response, the judge made it clear for the trial to move forward, lab work must be sped up.
Are you telling me that there's something rattling around somewhere that you might need to be tested, other than what Ms. Johnson spoke of? I'm aware of nothing.
Aside from the court's concerns, the defense team is trying to keep quiet pretrial publicity, attempting to keep cameras off their client.
I'm not arguing with the court's ruling allowing the media to be here, but could we refrain from showing him coming in and out of the back room?
Ultimately, it's up to the judge to make a decision. The Hines Jr. hearings resume tomorrow. At tomorrow's hearing, both sides are expected to present evidence that may or may not be used at trial. And we plan on bringing you those details, but it's all going to depend on whether or not the judge allows media access before this trial, and he plans to decide that tomorrow morning. Reporting from Brunswick, Elizabeth Kate, Channel 4, the local station.